So, as you can see here, I've already kind of done several of them. On the last one, kind of explain what I was doing this whole time. So, right here, you can see I've got these clamps in place. You get a close-up, you'll be able to see why I used them. So, right here you can see, but got it as close as I can. It's almost where you can't even feel the difference. Can a little bit, but not so much. So we got the clamps in there to hold it in place. The next thing I'm going to do is I've got the drill here and with the screws, and we just went and found a bit that's just a little under the size of the screw. That way it doesn't drill the hole. You're basically pre-drilling. You want the threads in the screw to catch the wood, but at the same time you want to give the wood space for the screw to fit so it doesn't split, especially dealing with these countertops. They're thinner metal, thinner wood. They're all kinds of these composites and stuff like that, whatever. But we don't want any splitting because the laminate will show on the other side. So now that I've got it secured in here, we're going to pre-drill where I want my holes at. Now they're starting to run a little dead, but hopefully we can get these last two. That's hot. You see it smoking. So, next thing is I have a larger drill bit. And why do I need a larger drill bit? Well, if you look on the screw here, you want that bit to be about the size of the head so that it basically kind of covers it up. So what we're going to do is right where I drilled my holes, we're going to take the drill, we're going to just barely go in just enough. That was a little deep, but it's all right. Clean that out. So now I'm going to take my screws, I'm going to put them in there, and it just sinks that head into the wood. That way the drawers don't catch on it and it's smoother and less visible. So, as you can see in these other ones, the screws they're sunk in. That way the drawers don't catch or anything like that on those. Then, as you can see, this first two, there's these boards I got in here, 1/2 inch to fit right between the cabinets. I did that on all of them. And these here are going to knock in place. They're the same height to help give the cabinet a little bit of support for the countertop that we'll be putting in. And more on that to come later. But let me go ahead and finish up with this last one here. And you can see the one that I did earlier. You saw the video for that one as well. That's basically for the wall oven. Now it's not completely finished in because we're going to be putting the sides up and deciding what kind of microwave we're going to put in here, making it the right fit, as well as getting the fascia and everything like that to all fit in nicely. So So this is kind of a quick preview of what the kitchen will look like. This side of the island, as you can see, there's our 12-inch, 36-inch, 24 inches for the wash machine, 36 inches for the sink, and 12 inches on the end. And then you can see where we would have the counter, the double basin deep sink, counter space, cooktop, and then a little more counter space for the look from the front. Okay.
So as you can see, we're working on the island. We are keeping this metal underneath the island. I wanted that metal look. This sides are going to get sheetrocked and painted, and then I'm going to paint the metal as well. I want it when the stools, you push the stools up, that you still could see that metal, but it will have an overhang for the bar area. And then if we come around to the other side, he's getting the cabinets leveled, getting them screwed in. We have our outlets and electrical for the cooktop, because it will go right there. Dishwasher, and then the sink will go right there. There's our water outlets. And then somewhere over here will be the garbage disposal outlet as well. So we're coming along just nicely. We got still some cabinets we still need to build. I'm trying to step back. All of these cabinets are secure in their spot. They will get a nice coat of paint, as well as still trying to build my pantry cabinet. So we'll continue on, just letting you see our progress. Somebody starts working and doesn't record, so we don't have any footage of him doing the island.